Welcome to SSB Doubts. Understand the PPDT and TAT by examples. Example. Observe the picture
carefully. Pause the video and make your story. High-level idea. Ram was a DM posted at Haridwar. It was the time of Mahakumbh and he was assigned the duty of organizing it. He immediately called a meeting of all the government officials and briefed them about the various problems which might arise during the event. He also created awareness with the local people about the staging of the event and sought their support. During the days of Kumbh, he was there personally to check everything was going well. In the end, the event went smoothly. He called his team and praised them for their efforts. Qualities demonstrated: good reasoning skills, difficult level of problem solving, responsible, determined, and making appropriate decisions. Story 2. Average level idea. Ram was an NCC cadet and was from Haridwar. It was the time of Kumbh when his uncle visited them with his family. When they went to the Mela, he saw a young boy who was alone and crying. He consoled the boy and asked about his parents and other family members. Then he took him to the police chowk and informed them of the boy's parents' details. After some time, the parents arrived and reunited with the boy. Ram advised the family to be more cautious in future, and the boy left with his family. Qualities demonstrated: optimism, average level of problem solving, responsible, determined.
Thanks, subscribe and keep watching for such videos. If you have any doubts regarding SSB interview,
then visit the playlist section.
Join us on other social platforms, link in bio.